The new record and playback function in the ViA is a portable recorder and playback system directly in the ViA.
With ViA's record and playback feature, you can stream, record, and playback, essentially replacing a remote truck in a lightweight box. The engineer goes to a remote with less equipment. They can do more with less.
It's very simple to use. The software is already in the ViA, so all you need to do is do a firmware upgrade. Once you get the firmware on the ViA, get an SD card, it slides right into the back, right underneath the battery pack. And once you get into that, whether you're connected live or not, you can simply go into the media menu and you can select either record or playback. With the ViA field recorder, for example, you could use channel 1 to stream audio straight back to the station live, so you could have a host there. And then channels 2 and 3, you could still have microphones there, but you could tell those not to go back to the station and just to be recorded for later playback to go live. 30 minutes later, 45 minutes, 5 minutes later, it's up to you. Then I've seen others use it just to record the entire event, the entire football game or basketball game or press event. They'll just simply record the entire bit so that they have all the sound bites that they want, and now they can use that later in post-production.
Within the playback capability, you can create a playlist. Essentially, playlists enable you to put together a selection of audio files. These audio files can be pre-recorded interviews, commercials, and or music. You've got a lot of flexibility. You can change an order of your files before you go to air. You can queue them up, so you can pre-listen to the audio before it actually gets inserted into the live stream and or out to the PA.
Being able to originate audio locally is going to be a great benefit to several of my clients because they've talked about running more from on-site, like say a local ID, or to insert their own commercials. To make the board ops job easier, they want to do it all on site, and having the ability to have pre-made playlists and to be able to fire this when they want on site is going to be very beneficial to them.